Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your messages in the Ceasar's rewards application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find the notification symbol. Press on it. And here in this page you will be able to find your messages. Now I don't have any because I am a new user in this app. I didn't really use this application before, so it is pretty obvious that I'm not going to have any messages here. But if you're a regular user, you're going to find your messages here in this page. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.